Good morning, student. Today we are going to start Geography Lesson 2, Location and Extent. In this chapter, we will study what is the location of Brazil and what is the location of India in the world. You had learned earlier about the longitude and latitude, right? These are imaginary lines. Through these lines, we know the location of the place in the globe. Where they located? In the globe, upper portion are North Pole and lower portion are called South Pole. The middle line in the globe is equator. It is 0 degree. The measurement of North Pole to South Pole are divided in degrees, minute and seconds. It shows the exact location of the place. Let's start. Few hints and the flag of two countries are given below. Using them, identify these two countries. You can easily identify one of them and hope you can easily identify the other two. The first flag given here are our tricolor, Indian flag. The second flag are given here are Brazilian flag. In your geography book this year we will be going to study about all aspects of these two countries, Brazil and India, in your whole textbook. Here are given clues about India below the flag. The second largest populated country in the world. India is the second largest populated country in the world. Famous for spices in the world, and cricket is a popular sports here. In India, cricket is a popular sport, and India is famous for spices in the world. Next, here are given clues about Brazil below the Brazilian flag. Famous for samba dance. Brazil is famous for samba dance. Brazil is known as a coffee pot of the world, and football is a very popular sports here. In next page, name of the country, Republic of India. Name of the capital, New Delhi. Location, extent and boundaries. Here are given the location of the India. India is located in the northern and eastern hemisphere of the earth. It is located in the southern part of Asian continent. We know from the equator to the North Pole is called northern hemisphere, or from the equator to the South Pole is called southern hemisphere. With the help of figure 2.1, find the extent of the mainland India. See figure 2.1. Observe the map carefully and fill in the degrees value in degrees in blank spaces. Dash degree 4 minute north to dash degree 6 minute north latitudes, and between dash degree 7 minute east to dash degree 25 minutes east longitude. See carefully left hand side of the map, they are given north latitude, then and upper side here is given east longitude. Observe carefully in the map from where to where India extended in the eastern hemisphere it is given in upper side left to right, and in the northern hemisphere it is given in left side from down to up. Here I have already filled the blanks. See, in degree 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north latitudes, and between 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east longitude. Indira Point is the southernmost tip of India. It is located on 6 degree 45 minute north parallel. Observe figure 2.1 and identify the country and water bodies around India and complete the table in your notebook. Whatever countries and water bodies around India, you have to write in the chart. Next, about Brazil. Name of the country, Federative Republic of Brazil. Name of the capital, Brasilia. Location, extent and boundaries. Some part of Brazil lies in the northern hemisphere, while most of it lies in the southern hemisphere. Also, it lies in the western hemisphere in the northern part of the South American continent. Means Brazil is located in both the hemisphere, northern hemisphere, and most of it's in the southern hemisphere. It lies in the western hemisphere in the northern part of the South American continent. With the help of figure 2.2, find the extent of the mainland Brazil. Fill in the degrees value in blank spaces. Dash 15 minute north to dash 45 minute south latitudes, and between 2 dash degree 45 minutes west to dash degree 48 minute west longitude. Observe figure 2.2 carefully. What is the answer? 5 degree 15 minute north to 33 degree 45 minutes south latitude, and between 234 degree 45 minutes west to 73 degree 48 minute west longitudes. Observe figure 2.2. Identify Brazil's neighboring countries and oceans. Fill in the chart given below in your notebook. Whatever neighboring countries and oceans around Brazil, you have to write in the chart. We will be continuing this chapter in the next class. Thank you.